Welcome back to your go-to spot for herbal remedies and natural health tips. Today, we're diving into the world of beet shots and exploring why they are becoming a sensation in the health and wellness community. Let's jump right in. Have you ever tried a beet shot? If not, you're in for a surprise. Did you know that just one shot of beet juice can help boost your energy levels like never before? Stick around to find out more. Many of us struggle with common health issues like low energy, poor athletic performance, high blood pressure, and a need for better detoxification. Finding natural solutions to these problems can be challenging. But what if I told you that beet shots could be the answer? Beets are packed with nutrients and compounds that can tackle these issues head on. Let's explore how. Beet shots boost your energy levels. Beets are packed with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This helps improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to your muscles, giving you a natural energy boost. Perfect for those busy mornings or before a workout. They improve athletic performance. Studies have shown that the nitrates in beets can enhance stamina and endurance. Whether you're an athlete or just enjoy staying active, beet shots can give you that extra edge to perform better and recover faster. Beet shots support heart health. The nitric oxide from beets helps to relax and dilate your blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease. It's a simple and delicious way to keep your heart in great shape. They're rich in antioxidants. Beets are full of powerful antioxidants like betalains, which fight inflammation and oxidative stress in your body. This can help protect you from various chronic diseases and keep you feeling youthful and vibrant. And finally, beet shots enhance detoxification. Beets are known to support liver function and help the body eliminate toxins. By incorporating beet shots into your routine, you can give your liver a natural boost and promote overall detoxification. I remember when I first started taking beet shots. I was skeptical, but after just a few weeks, I noticed a significant increase in my energy levels. I could work out longer and felt less fatigued throughout the day. My friend Sarah also started taking them, and her blood pressure improved dramatically. The transformation was incredible, and that's why I'm so passionate about sharing this with you. Now let's see how easy it is to make your own beet shots at home. Here's what you'll need: fresh beets, a juicer or blender, a strainer, and a bit of lemon juice for added flavor. First, wash and peel the beets. Then, chop them into small pieces. If you're using a juicer, simply feed the pieces through and collect the juice. If you're using a blender, blend the beet pieces until smooth, then strain the mixture to remove the pulp. Finally, add a splash of lemon juice and stir well. And there you have it, your very own beet shot. To reap the full benefits, it's recommended to take one beet shot daily. You can have it first thing in the morning for an energy boost, or about 30 minutes before your workout to enhance performance. Remember, consistency is key to seeing long-term benefits. So, let's recap the top 5 reasons why beet shots can change your life forever. They boost energy, improve athletic performance, support heart health, provide powerful antioxidants, and enhance detoxification. Incorporating beet shots into your daily routine can make a world of difference. Ready to give beet shots a try? Make your own at home and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing health and wellness content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.